Quicken Simplifi versus Deluxe, which is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which financial management tool is better among Quicken Simplifi and Deluxe. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Quicken Simplify. Simplifi is designed to be easy to use with a modern and intuitive interface that is accessible for users of all experience levels. Offers seamless access through both mobile and web platforms, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. Helps users create and manage budgets, track spending, and set financial goals. The app provides alerts and insights to help you stay on track. Uses bank level encryption to protect your data and ensure secure connections. Generally more affordable than Deluxe, with a straightforward subscription model. While Simplify covers the basics well, it lacks some of the more advanced features and customization options available in Quicken Deluxe. Primarily web and mobile based, with no dedicated desktop software, which may be a drawback for users who prefer a traditional software experience. Basic investment tracking capabilities, which might not be sufficient for users with complex investment portfolios. Now, let's come towards Quicken Deluxe. Deluxe provides detailed budgeting and spending analysis, allowing users to categorize expenses and create custom budgets. Offers robust tools for tracking investments, including portfolio analysis and performance tracking, making it suitable for users with complex investment portfolios. Available as both desktop software and a mobile app, providing flexibility in how users manage their finances. Offers more customization options compared to Simplify, allowing users to tailor the software to their specific financial needs. More expensive than Simplify, with additional costs for advanced features and multiple device access. Somehow, it can be overwhelming for beginners due to its wide range of features and detailed options. The interface can feel dated compared to more modern financial apps, and the learning curve may be steeper. Choosing between Quicken Simplifi and Deluxe depends on your specific financial management needs and preferences. Both tools offer valuable features for managing your finances, so consider factors like ease of use, cost, and the specific functionalities you need to determine which is the best fit for your financial management in 2024. That's all for this video.